Okay, today I will show you how to make a tree of components and how the components can listen for the events from other components. You remember from the last episode that we've made a link that after being clicked it changes its color to red. So you have a link, we click it, it's red. We did it by listening to the click event. This is an URL. Go this URL, event URL. Let's make it like this. So it's event URL. So it doesn't hide its intentions. So the intention of this URL is to raise an event inside this component, because we've got this, and after that, when we raise this event, we'll listen for this event, click, and we run this function. We can achieve it like this, or we can achieve it like this. Okay, let's replace this with this. And this is the same. It's just an event. It listens for the click event. Here we go, click event, and it changes the color. Works. Now let's think about something else. I imagine that I could put this component in a bigger component that has two hello worlds and a border around two hello worlds. So it will be like a tree, one component, and under this component we'll have two other components. Okay, let's do that. Component, we'll make it a square. Okay, this is a component. It has its view. Render standard view means render a view with the name square as HTML file and place it in a dir directory. It means in this directory, the same directory where the class is located. So let's make something like this, div. Okay, style border solid red. Okay, and we'll have hello world 1 here and hello world 2 here. Okay, and we have to somehow connect the hello world's components to the square. So what we do, create function create, it's a constructor, and say hello world 1 is new hello world. We name it 1. Context is this, it means it's placed inside the square. Okay, and now we have another hello world, it's hello world 2, we name it 2, and it's placed inside square. We've got bindings to our view. Okay, I think it's it. Oh, we don't have a comment. We have a comment hello world, so it shows only hello world, but we don't have comment square. No square, no method, application square. Let's go here, say okay, public function square action, return new square. and it's called square, and it's placed within this comment. Okay, here we go. We've got a square, and we've got two components inside this square. Okay, let's make it a bit more pretty. Give it a width 100 pixels, height 100 pixels, padding 20 pixels. Okay, it's better. Okay, what about our events? Look, when I click on Hello World 1, it listened to this event and it changed color. When I clicked the other one, it changed the color of the other one. So it knows which event belongs to which component. So let's make it that when I click on this component, I will have like a, I don't know, another square, or I don't know, maybe this square could change its background. Okay, let's do it. We could do it like this. So it's say like background. This is not the best way to do it, but it's quicker right now. So I say okay. When I click Hello World 2, listen for event, click function. Sender is a class that sends this event. So this event is sent by we can check it who sends this event. Okay, class echo. Okay, there's some error. Okay, there we go. So let's see if we can listen to this. Click and see what kind of, who sends this event. Okay, it's sent by component hello world. Okay, so we can say hello world component, and now let's do something like this. This is PHP 5.3, and we have to pass reference to this to this function a bit differently. Not exactly the same as we do it in PHP 5.4. So it will be like, oh, this equals this. I use like use. Okay, and now I have access to this because it's this reference this. And I can do something like that. Background equals background blue. This is this background here. And this is this, so it refers to this class square. Okay, let's see what happens. Property background not set in view. Component square HTML. It says okay, there is no background in this. Interesting. Okay. You have to set it here. Okay, but now in the beginning it's empty. After the event it will be replaced by this. Here we go. Okay. Notice that when I click on the first hello world, it won't change the background because we are not listening to this click, to this event. Okay. And that's it for this episode.